checked the REI status lately. I'm thinking they might discontinue that. What do you think? I mean, you can't tell me that it's always out of stock. What do you think?
I don't know. About the floor model? Beg them.
RPO.
Ow! Did you just bite me twice? A shark wants a cookie.
Oh, I just wrapped him up. Shark. Break it up for him. Can he eat them whole now?
You can eat them whole.
Hey, I want you to eat your oatmeal. You want more oatmeal? I'll make you a little bowl of these.
Shark, get a cookie.
Sharks just go get what they want. They don't whine about it, alright? Yeah, that's right. There you go, Mommy. It's an orange cup. Wow.
Hey Shark, can you say bye-bye?
His cereal's still out. You want me to put it away?
Okay, well we're gonna say bye. There you go.